too. How am I? Again, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You can say, how about you?
How about you?
Okay. I'm good and I'm happy. I'm happy to see you. Are you ready for our class?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I'm sorry for being late. I will not be late next time. Okay. I will share my screen. Can you remember our last topic? Wait. Can you remember our last topic? What can you remember? Just give me any word that you can remember from our last topic. Think. What can you remember? Me, I can remember cream. Yes, last time we discussed about cream. What else? What else can you remember? You forgot? You forgot? Okay. I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a little up. Uh, uh. What did you saw? Can you remember now? Give me one one word. Uh, uh, ay. I can remember cream, and also I can remember plastic bags. What else? Oh, uh, okay. Can you remember now? Ah!
Sugar.
Sugar. Okay, what else?
Mhm.
Really?
Cream.
Cream. Very good. What else? Uh, 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 What?
Salt.
What?
Salt.
Salt. Yes, salt. And the last one. Give me another one.
Open.
Open. And if there's an open, there is a
Close.
very good. Okay. So, so now we will be talking about cause and effect. Can you please say it? Cause and effect. Again, I can't hear you. Cause and effect.
Cause and effect.
Very good. So when we say cause, it is why something happens or the reason. And when we say effect, it is what happens after the cause. Are you taking pictures?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, I'll smile. Okay, now, are you done? I will make sure na I will look. Are you done taking picture?
Remember, a cause is why something happened. The effect is what happened after the cause.
Very good. So now we will be reading this text, and we will read the causes and write the effects after. Okay, so I will zoom in. Can you please read?
Hmm. Our oh
Go. I go. Read everything.
Omar.
Go.
Omar. Omar feels awful. Awful. He's really cold.
Okay. So Omar is sick, right? He feels really cold. Okay, continue.
His mother heats some water and makes his son learn
Him, him.
him some lemon tea.
Very good.
Omar drinks the tea and feels warm.
Okay, stop. So his mother hid some water, and what did his mother do? What did his mother make? His mother make a what? Mother makes
Next,
here.
lemon tea.
Very good. So his mother makes some lemon tea. So Omar, this is Omar, okay? So Omar drinks the tea, and after he drinks the tea, he feels
Warm.
okay. So in this sentence, um, Omar drinks the tea is the cause, and the effect is he feels warm. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you please continue reading? Continue reading.
He takes a short nap, short nap, and when he wakes up, he's
Wakes.
hungry.
Don't forget the S.
Wakes up, he's he's hungry. His mother heats water in a pot and puts in some chicken, carrots, and an onion. Omar eats the soup and feels good again.
Okay. So, Omar takes a short nap. So, what do you mean by short nap? It means, what do we mean by short nap? Short nap means
Short nap means
what? What is short nap?
short nap, and when he wakes up, he hungry. He
Okay. What
eats
is nap? What is nap? Do you know what nap? Oh, yes. Nap. So, this is a short nap. So, he sleeps only for a short time. Okay? So, when he wakes up, he's what? What did he feel? When he wakes up, he feel
he feel hungry.
very good. He feel hungry. So, his mother heats water in a pot and puts in some chicken, carrots, and onions. What do you think is this kind of food? There's a chicken, there's a carrots and onions. What do you think is that?
Mm,
It's a
is a is a chicken.
It's a chicken. Yes, it has a chicken. It has also a carrots and onions. What is that? What kind of food?
Chicken
It's this one.
soup.
Soup. It's a soup. So Omar eats the soup. So this is the cause, and after he eats the soup, he feels good again. So eat the soup is the cause. Okay? After he eat the soup, he feels good again. So this is the effect. Again, what is the cause? What is the cause? That's this one.
Is the soup.
Okay. So he eats the soup. So that is the cause. Okay. Because he eat the soup, what happened is he read.
Mm,
He what?
He feel good again.
Very good. So now we will be answering this. So these are the cause and these are the column for the effect. Okay? So for example, number 1, Omar is really cold.
It's
So the effect is okay. So because Omar is really cold,
really cold.
his mother makes him tea.
A tea.
Yes, so that is the effect. So the cause, because Omar is really cold, Omar is sick, so his mother makes him a tea. Now, you will answer this. Number 2. Can you please read?
Omar drinks the tea.
Okay, what is the effect?
Um. Uh. Um. He.
Can
He
you can
feels
I see your
warm.
face? I can't see you. I can see you, Han. Show me your face. Yan. Don't hide your beautiful face. Okay. Omar drinks the tea. So this is the cause. What happened after he drinks the tea?
Tea.
Don't don't copy me. I have a runny nose. That is why sometimes I turn off my camera. Okay. What do you think is the answer?
Mm,
What is the effect? What happened after Omar drinks the tea?
mm. He feels. He feels warm.
Very good. So the answer is here is he feels warm. Very good. Okay. So the cause is Omar drinks the tea and the effect is he feels warm. Very good for that, Han. How about number 3? Can you please read?
He's hungry.
Okay, so he's hungry. So what
His
happened next?
his mother his water in a pot.
And
and puts in some chicken.
carrots and onions. Okay. So, very good. Um, to make it short, when Omar gets hungry, his mother made a what did his mother cook?
Mm, chicken, carrots, and onions.
What do we call that kind of food? It's a
It's uh,
this.
it's the soup.
It's the soup. Very good. So because Omar is hungry, his oops, his mother made a soup. Okay. Now, number 4, can you please read?
Omar is the soup.
Okay. So what happened after Omar eats the soup?
And he feels good again.
Very good. He feels good again. So that is what happened after he eats the soup. So, again, this is the cause. Oops, what happened in here? Oops, oops. So, oh no, I can't control it well. Okay, so this is the cause and this is the effect. Do you understand now what's cause and effect? Yes or no? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now we will going to read a dialogue. Okay. Let's make ice cream. So this is the title of this dialogue. So I will be reading Miss Woods. The teacher here is Miss Woods and Mr. Jenkins. Okay. So I will be Miss Woods and Mr. Jenkins. And you will be the students. You will be all the students. You will be Luis, you will be Judy, Mark, and students. Okay? You will read their part. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Let's start. I will start. Today is our school party. Let's go to the cafeteria and get the ice cream you bought yesterday. It's in the freezer.
Mm. Oh, oh no, it's liquid.
Yuck! You read.
That was our ice cream. Was the freezer door open?
Okay, so what is the cause? What do you think is the cause of the ice cream melting? What do you think? Okay, okay, I will just ask you later. I will let's continue reading. Miss Woods. Yes, it was. It was open all night. Now, there's no ice cream for the party. Oops. Oh, I will be Mr. Jenkins too. Mr. Jenkins. What's wrong? Why is everyone so sad? Can you please read?
It was our job to bring the ice cream for the party, but it's melted. Now we can't have ice cream.
Okay. Mr. Jenkins. Sure you can. You can make ice cream. I can teach you. How to read that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Mm.
How to read that one? Yippee!
Yippee!
Okay. So this is what happened. Look. So this is what happened to their ice cream. Look at their ice cream. It melts because the door of the refrigerator opened open all night. So the ice cream was melted. Okay. I will be Mr. Jenkins and you will be the students. Okay? Okay, kids. Get big and small plastic bags. Cream, sugar, vanilla, and salt. Then come to my classroom.
Ready, Mr. Jenkins.
My freezer was closed all night, so I have ice. Now, let's make ice cream. Okay, Han, where are you? I can see your face, Han. Let me see your face. Okay, you read the students.
Yes, let's make ice cream.
Okay, mix the sugar and vanilla and cream.
Mm,
Your turn.
Mix the sugar and
Vanilla.
vanilla and cream down.
Done.
Done.
Very good. Okay. Pour the cream, sugar, and vanilla mixture into the small bag.
Pour pour the cream, sugar and
Vanilla.
vanilla mixture into the small bag. Done.
Put the salt and ice cubes into the big bag.
Put the small bag in the big bag. Done.
Mm, wrong. Where did you read? We're still here.
Put the salt and the ice cups into the big bag. Done.
Okay. Now, put the small bag in the big bag.
Put the small bag in the big bag. Done.
Now, shake, shake, shake. What do you have?
Hey, look, we have ice cream. And didn't use a freezer.
You read this.
How is the ice cream, Meter Jenkins?
That's Mr.
Meter.
Mr.
Meter.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Jenkins.
Meter Jenkins.
Okay. It's great. Can I have some more? Ah, that's the end of our conversation. So what happened to their ice cream, Han? What happened to their ice cream? At first, okay.
Mm.
What happened to their ice cream? They put it in the freezer. But the freezer was open all night. So what happened to their ice cream? It it melted. Okay,
It melted.
it melted, okay? So now we will try to, okay, how you really like the text that we read. Okay. So this is again, this is super happy, happy and not happy. Okay. So we will put check depends upon you on what you feel. Okay. Number 1, let's try to read.
Mr. Jenkins helps the students.
Mr. Jenkins helped the students like they make an ice cream with the help of Mr. Jenkins. Are you super happy? Happy or not happy at all?
Superman, super happy.
Very good. Super happy because Mr. Jenkins is so kind. He helps the students. Very good. How about number 2?
The students make ice cream.
Are you super happy? Happy?
Happy.
Super happy. Because why? Why are you happy?
Because the students make ice cream.
Okay, do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number 3. People eat the ice cream. Are you what?
Mm,
Super happy? Happy or not happy?
happy.
This happy? This
Yeah,
happy? Look, this happy or the super happy?
happy.
Happy. Okay, this one. Okay, people eat the ice cream. You're happy about it. I am happy too. I like ice cream. Okay, I will be reading the dialogue of this boy, and you will be this girl. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
let's start. What's your favorite part?
The student makes ice cream. I like ice cream.
Oh, so now we will be answering an activity about cause and effect. So let's try this one. Number 1, can you please read?
The freezer door was open all night.
So the effect is
The ice cream melted.
okay. Number 2.
The students don't have ice cream.
Ooh, they don't have ice cream. What happened?
Um,
Okay, let's go back here. So, what happened? What do everyone feel? Because there's no ice cream. But the students don't have ice cream. So what happened? What do they feel when they don't have ice cream? They feel
here they feel
they feel
they
what?
feel sad.
They feel sad. Very good. Because their ice cream melted.
Meow!
They feel sad. Very good. The students feel sad. Okay, are you are you calling someone? Do you want to call that someone first?
They feel sad.
Okay, number 3.
They make ice cream.
Ooh, what is the effect after they make ice cream?
Mm. Pour the cream, sugar, and vanilla mixture.
Vanilla. Vanilla, that's vanilla.
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 Okay.
Vanilla. Mixture into the small bag.
Ooh. Okay, what happened? What happened? They make ice cream. What happened? What do they feel? Let's just focus on what
Happy.
they are happy. Okay, let's just focus on what they feel. So the students are happy. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, we have here sentences or statements. We need to identify if it is true or false. Okay? Uh, do you know what true is? Do you understand what is true? It is fact or right. What is right? So that is true. Okay? False is not true. Okay? So, okay, can you please read number one?
The student need to bring fruits to the party.
Okay, so at the party, do the students need fruit?
True.
Is it true? They're making an ice cream. Do they need to bring fruit?
False.
False. Very good. It is false because it wasn't mentioned in the conversation that they need to bring fruit. So it's a false. It's not true. Very good. How about number two? Can you please read?
The students pour the mixture into a bag.
The students pour the mixture into the bag. Is it
True.
true? Very good. Is it true? It is true. In making an ice cream, they put it in the bag. Very good. How about number three?
The ice cream wasn't good.
Is it true or false?
False.
False. Very good. Because the ice cream is really, really good and it is very delicious. So it is false. Very good. Oops. Okay. Now we have here a question. What do you think Mr. Jenkins helped the students? Right? Mr. Jenkins helped the students in making the ice cream. So, why do you think Mr. Jenkins helped them? Why? Why did Mr. Jenkins help them?
Help them.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know. Um, when Mr. Jenkins came, the students are so sad because their ice cream melted. Okay, so Mr. Jenkins helped the students because they are why?
Um,
Okay, again, when Mr. Jenkins came, the students are so hand. When Mr. Jenkins came, the students are so sad because their ice cream was melted. So now, Mr. Jenkins saw that the students are so sad. That is why he helped them making ice cream. Now, why do you think is Mr. Jenkins help the students? Because he saw them what very he helped the students because
Star.
they are sad. So say Mr. Jenkins helped the students. Can you say Mr. Jenkins? Say it, Han. Mr. Jenkins. Han, are you there? Please say Mr. Jenkins. Follow me. Mr. Jenkins
Mr. Jenkins
help the students
help help the students
because
because
they are
they are
sad.
sad.
Okay. Again, Mr. Jenkins help the students because they are sad. Okay?
Um,
Okay. Now we will watch a video about this. I will share my Google. Here it is. Let's watch this.
Grammar in use. D. Listen and sing along. Making ice cream. Where were you yesterday?
We were at a party. It was fun to make ice cream with all our friends.
Was the ice cream in the freezer?
No, it was quick to make.
Was the ice cream in a bag?
Yes, shake, shake, shake.
Where were you yesterday?
We were at a party. It was fun to make ice cream with all our friends.
Okay. Okay. So they make ice cream through just shake, shake, shake in the bag. Okay. So I will share again the book. What happened to my mouse? Okay. So can you please read?
simple past of verb to be.
Okay. So we will be discussing about was and where were. Okay. So this two is the past tense of is and are. Okay. Do you know what past tense means? What is past? It means that past.
Mean that
The meaning of past is it is when it is already happened. Okay? When it is already happened, so it is in the past. Okay? So we will talk about was and were. So can you please read?
was the freezer door open? Yes, it was.
It was.
It was.
Okay. If the question starts with was, you will answer to with the word was. Just like this. Was the freezer door open? Yes, it was. Okay, like that. Can you please read?
Were Were the students happy? No, they weren't.
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 Okay. So if there is the word no, um, the word weren't is from were
Not.
plus not. Very good. It's were very good with that. It's were plus not. Okay. So because we use the word negative word no, because we use the word no, it means that the verb to be were, we need to add the word not. Okay, and we join them together, it will be
Were.
rent. Weren't.
Weren't.
Okay, very good. So that is how it works. How about this one?
Where was the ice cream? It was in the freezer.
Okay, if in the question we have was, in the answer we will going to use the word was too. Okay? Okay, let's try this. Let's try to throw questions to each other. Okay, this is the example. Okay, can you please read?
Was the window open?
Okay, was the window open? I will answer, no, it wasn't. Like, because this is the window, right? And it is closed. So, the answer is no, it wasn't. Okay. Can you make a question? I will answer. I will make a question, and you will answer. Okay. Mm, was the door open?
Mm, yesterday.
What?
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't. This is the door, right? And it is open. So again, my question is, was the door open? You got it right a while ago. The answer is yes, right? Okay, just continue. Was the door open? Say yes. Yes. Say, okay. Yes. So this is the door. Okay, I'll zoom in. I'll zoom in. So this is the door. And the door is open. Okay. So when I asked, was the door open? The answer is
No, it wasn't.
no, it wasn't. Are you sure?
No.
This is the door. Is it open or closed?
Yes.
Yes, right? So again, was the door open? Answer. Yes,
Yes,
it.
it was.
Very good. That's it. Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Very good. Again, was the door open? Answer. What's the answer?
Mm,
Again, was the door open?
was the door open?
Okay, what's the answer?
Mm, yeah,
Yes, it.
it Was.
Very good. So the answer is yes, it was. Say it again.
Yes, it was.
Very good. Again. Was the door open? Answer.
Yes, it was.
Very good. Um, Next question. Uh, were the students happy? Look at the students. Were the students happy? Look at the students. So the students, they saw that the ice cream was melting. It was melting. So are they happy or sad?
Sad.
Sad. So my question is, were the students happy?
Mm,
What's the answer? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. So let's start with that. So the answer is no. No, they, is it were or weren't? Because we use the word were, we need to use, is it were or weren't? It's because we use the word no, right? What do you think is the answer? You can do it. Were the students happy? What's the answer again? What's the answer again?
Mm,
Yes or no? Just answer yes or no. Were the students happy? Yes or no? Were the students happy? What's the answer?
mm,
Were the students happy? You answered it right a while ago. Your answer is?
the answer is um
Are they happy?
no.
No. So the answer is no. And you'll say it like this. No, they weren't.
No, they weren't.
Very good. Again, were the students happy?
No, they weren't.
Very good. Okay. What happened to my mouse? Okay. Now we will have new words to discuss. Can you please read?
Coffee.
Coffee. Do you know what coffee is?
Drink in the morning.
Very good. Do you drink coffee?
Yes.
Yes, you. How about this one?
Tea.
Tea. Do you we drink this in the morning too? Do you drink this?
Tea.
Have you seen a tea? Not yet.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So tea is, I think coffee is more delicious than tea. Like tea is, there's a leaves in tea. It's from the leaves. Okay. What is this?
Salad.
Salad. Have you tried eating salad? Yes. Ooh, me, I don't like vegetables. I'm old, but I don't like vegetables. How about this one?
Fruit.
Fruit. What fruit do you like?
I like watermelon.
Oh, I love watermelon too. And do you know what durian is? Have you heard durian? No?
No,
No.
green.
Oh, is that a durian?
Yes,
Yes, that's a durian. Have you tried eating durian?
yes.
Yes, you try? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yes, you like it. Not everyone likes durian. A lot of people don't like durian, but for me, my favorite fruit is durian. Okay, how about this one?
Vegetable.
Vegetables. What is your favorite vegetables?
Mm, carrot.
Wow, carrots. Um, I also eat. I eat. What do we call that one? Squash. Do you eat squash?
Yes.
I like squash too. How about this one? What is this?
Pasta.
Pasta. That is with noodles. Okay. Pasta is made of noodles. Okay. So we will try to answer this letter B. Think about the words in A. So this is the words in A, okay? These all are the words in A. So think about the words in A and add them to the chart. Okay. So we have here we wash. Okay, we need to list the things that we wash before eating or drinking. Okay, so the sample here is salad. So what else? What else do we wash?
Mm,
From the words here. From the words here.
fruit.
Fruit, very good. Fruit, we wash fruit. What else?
Um, vegetables.
Vegetables, very good. Yes, before we eat those, before we eat fruit and vegetables, we wash it. Very good. How about this? We don't wash. Okay, so we need to
Coffee.
list the things that we don't wash. Okay,
Coffee.
coffee. Very good. We don't wash coffee. What else?
Tea.
Tea. Very good. Number three?
Mm, pasta.
Pasta, very good. We don't wash pasta. You got a perfect score with that, Han. Very good. Okay. We need to listen on something this. Okay. So now, I supposed to be. I need to read something about this. We just skip this one. We will answer this next time around, okay? We will move on to the speaking. Okay. So you will be this girl and I will be this girl. And later on we will exchange. Okay? Okay. Please read. Han? Where are you, Han? Read.
Tell me about the party.
Okay. My friends were there. The ice cream was tasty and the games were fun. Okay, let's exchange. I will be I will be this girl and you will be this girl. Okay. Tell me about the party.
My friends were there. The ice cream was tasty. The games were fun.
Oh, very good. Okay. So since we're almost done, okay. Okay. Han, we will answer this next time around. Okay? So for now, it's we will end our class. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time around. Goodbye and good job. You're really good in reading. You're so good. Good job. You're smart. I like you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
We will take a picture.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Burger. Goodbye, Han. See you next time.
See you again.
See you again next time.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Han.